In this video I am gonna review the Resurge pills, so make sure to watch the full video till the end. Resurge pills are simply supplements that accelerate your weight loss efforts, assuming you are doing the necessary steps required to actually lose weight. This includes eating a healthy diet. Let's talk about some pros and cons of Resurge. Getting started with pros. The ingredients used are natural and safe. One can consume it daily as it doesn't have any side effects. Science backs up the formula for the supplement. Made in an FDA-approved facility. Helps in sleeping better and losing weight. Has received several positive reviews. Improves health in more ways than just helping you lose weight. And now let's talk about the cons. Not fit to be consumed by children or pregnant women. Available only on the official website. This cannot be taken by people with underlying health issues. Resurge is a recently released deep sleep formula that helps you lose weight while you're fast asleep. The dietary supplement comes in the form of capsules, and one bottle of it lasts a month. This is after all the world's first anti-age, sleep-promoting, weight loss supplement all packed into one capsule. Resurge is absolutely 100% natural, safe and effective. Many thousands of folks enjoy taking Resurge every day and there has been absolutely zero side effects reported. Every capsule of Resurge is manufactured in the USA. Resurge is 100% all-natural, vegetarian and non-GMO. As always, if you have a medical condition it's recommended to consult with your doctor. Now let's talk about how to take the Resurge pills. With the simple is best approach adopted by its makers, you're expected to take 4 capsules of this pill 30 minutes before going to bed. This is because the best time to work on your metabolism is when you're having your night sleep. Since it is only for adults, you should keep it out of reach from children and pets. It's also essential that you don't mix with any other medications it might react with. Now let's talk about who should use. People who are unable to remove belly fat using a regular diet. People are struggling with sleep deprivation and obesity at the same time. People who are too consumed in jobs or businesses and can't work out. Those who feel sleepy or dizzy throughout the day. People who are looking for an energy booster with their workouts. According to research, it will take 90 to 180 days for the full benefits of the Resurge pills to manifest. It is therefore highly advised that you purchase at least 3 to 6 bottles of supplements. Now let's talk about purchase and shipping. Resurge ships the ordered product directly to your office or home. In case the shipping address is Canada or the US, you can expect the delivery within 5 to 7 business days. However, if you are ordering internationally, it is going to take 8 to 15 business days. The product comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. Thus, if you are not satisfied with the product or do not see the desired results within the first 60 days of your purchase, just return it and get back the money. If you are ready to buy, then make sure to visit the original website of Resurge. Link of Resurge is given in the description below this video or in the pinned comment section of this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.